How to create AI captions for video auto subtitle tools. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you best AI captions tool for captions. So for that we'll simply go to TikTok. I know you will be in shock, but it was the best caption tool. You guys can get any language captions without using any transcript or etc. So I'll simply click on TikTok app. Now click on that plus icon. Here you guys simply upload your video. For example, it was short. Now click upload it. Once we upload it, here you guys simply click on captions. So for caption, you guys can see caption on downside. Once we click on captions, here will automatically detect the language and add the captions to your video. So let's wait for some seconds. And once our caption edit, I will show you how you guys can see. Here we go. Our video has added captions automatically. Let's see how perfectly it was. How to remove image background using AI free tool tutorial. So here we go. Our caption was added. So that was the perfect best AI tool to add captions to your shorts. For long videos, you guys can use TikTok as well. But for that, you guys can use CapCut or other apps. But for shorts, the TikTok was best for captions. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.